for that shit, nigga. Out the motherfucking mud, nigga, you know what I'm saying? Out the dirt, nigga, out the soil, this shit.
ATL Jacob.
Found me like a cigarette boat, all this water on me. I was in my big truck,
Yes, sir. We got another video. We got my guy, Pop Lottie, in the chair right now. You know what I mean? Let me make this clear. That wasn't the beginning cut. Like, I actually started kind of like after I kind of trimmed it down a little bit already. But now, this is basically what I'm doing to take his hair down. I'm bringing it down with I want to say a 1.5 guard. It's definitely a 1.5 closed. Bringing it all the way down. This is the part where I taper. I'm sorry that you can't see it, but you will see the transition of the cut. Right now, I am giving him a taper. I'm not sure if I'm giving him a ball taper on the sides. Yeah, it's not. See how it's looking though. And let me let y'all guys know, this video is not even that. It's not that new. Like, this is probably a I want to say a good 4 months ago, 3 months ago, something like that. I don't want to stretch it, but it's not that long ago. I'm sorry for being in the camera and I got the little stuff on my back. I think that's instant ashes. I don't know how I got that on my back. Anyway, this is where I put the line. You know what I mean? Right now, I know you don't see it, but I am shipping them up on that side. No, I'm not. Still right there. And let me say this. This cut was actually a good cut. Yeah, you see how I just fast forward? Now, what I'm learning to do right now is get rid of completely all the white. So I'm sorry, when you see the white and you like, yo, what the heck, bro? Right now, hold up, my bad. Right now I'm hitting the back of the beard, cleaning it up. Boom, 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 bop, 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 boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? Clean that up real quick. But this is not one of my best cuts. Even though, like, I love cutting his hair, like, cause it's so, I'm not gonna say it's easy, but the texture hair, it makes the cut easy to do. You know what I'm saying? Like, his hair laid down, like, it lays down automatic. Oh yeah, you see that? Damn, you see that? Clean that up real quick. Boop, 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 boop. You know what I'm saying? So it's coming to life. It's like, I ain't gonna front. The only thing that I could have done, I could have cleaned up that white, like in between of the little bar, you know what I'm saying? And cleaned it up at the bottom of the beard. That's crazy. I probably was in a rush in this cut. Who knows? I don't know. But it's looking real good. Y'all looking at it. Y'all see it. Got them lined up. Hitting the mustache up. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get that mustache right. Now I'm probably, I'm fixing up the C. Or cleaning it up. Either I didn't hit it up yet. See, I'm everywhere with this video. But I'm keeping it raw just like this. I'm not about to edit it, change it up, none of that. No, y'all getting it just like this. I'm authentic with mine, you feel me? But my whole thing of doing these videos, like, these are not tutorials. These are more so like self-improvement videos, like for me to see myself where I need to improve in. Even though every day I feel like I am improving, it's just still, you seeing it on video, it's kind of different, you know what I mean? So if you do learn something out of it, then that's a bonus. That's definitely a bonus. But, like, I don't want y'all to think like, yo, how you gonna try to teach me something you don't even? Nah, I'm still learning. I'm still, working myself up the charts, up the ranks. You feel me? Like, but I'm definitely getting there. Like, as you can see, I'm definitely getting there. I'm taking my time, doing my thing. You feel me? Hitting that line right there. Boom, in the back of the beard. You feel me? I'm about to hit the back, like, you know what I'm saying? Make sure the lines. That's what I be trying to focus on now, like, making sure that everything look equally symmetric, like, where all the shapes is like the same. Like, I don't want it to be like over here is curvy a little bit, but then this over here is kind of curvy, but a little straight, little curvy. I want it to be the same exact curves, like whatever, or straight lines, or whatever it is, boxes, or wherever I'm shaping up at, you feel me? But I'm all in the way right here. My bad, but I'm hitting the back, you feel me? In the back of the neck. You see what I'm saying? You see how like it's like a perfect loop around, like from the back to the back of the beard, like from the back of the neck to the back of the beard, that line right there. All the lines. It's just I gotta get rid of that white, and I'm not gonna front. That's where I do feel like I need to definitely improve it, and I have. Like I said, this video was like 4 or 5 months ago, something like that. So that was one of the main objectives I wanted to do. Like, yo, let me learn how to get rid of completely that white line, because I don't want to see none of that white line. Me preferably. Okay, slightly to look like it's like, I want it to look more so like it's contrast. That, you know what I'm saying? This doesn't really look like contrast to me. Maybe it does in y'all eyes. I don't know. Maybe I'm looking at it differently. But I'm being honest with myself. You know what I mean? Look how clean this. Come on, you still can't say this cut not clean though. God damn. I come back with that razor. I'm bringing everything back up. Boom. Boom. Bringing everything back up. Yeah, my man, right? I ain't gonna front, like that razor, like his hair texture and that razor, the way I'm just hitting them points, like it make it look like his hair is a toupee, like it's fake. Like that's how good this cut coming out. Like I ain't gonna front, like hitting everything up. The back of the bed. You ain't know what I was doing. I'm hitting the back of the dog. I already tell.
You know Pegasus?
That will be the cut.
Me and some buddies are meeting up
my
there.
boy, my boy.
Bruce Folker fan. I heard they were playing, and I was like, fuck it.
Everything crispy clean. How you feeling? This is reaction.
Maybe we can have it on the way.
Let's see his reaction. Yeah?
I'm
feeling it.
I just don't want to miss the concert, you know?
Ooh, you got to click up the bottom of it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I gotta get my hands back. You feeling it?
You worry too much.
You know what I'm saying? You feeling it? I mean, that's another cut, you know what I mean, by your boy Quad G. I will be doing many more. You already know what it is. Like, comment, subscribe, all that extra stuff. You know what I mean? Get with me.
put that shit, nigga. Out the motherfucking mud, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Out the dirt, nigga. Out the soil, this shit.
ATL Jacob, ATL Jacob.
Sounding like a cigarette boat. All this water on me. I was in my big truck.